Welcome to Smart Tool Buddy. In this video, we are going to introduce the best soundbar subwoofer speakers for home smart TV. Elevate your home entertainment experience with the ULTIMEA soundbar for smart TV, featuring advanced Dolby Atmos technology and a powerful 190W peak power output. The Nova S50 soundbar, with its ultra-slim design, integrates seamlessly into any home theater setup, delivering a cinematic audio experience with multidimensional sound that fills the room. Designed for high-end audio enthusiasts, this soundbar offers exceptional sound quality, bass boost, and personalized EQ programs to suit your unique listening preferences. Key features: Dolby Atmos Home Theater. Experience immersive sound with Dolby Atmos, which transforms ordinary 2.1 stereo sound into a multi-dimensional audio experience, adding virtual height and surround elements for a truly cinematic feel. HDMI eARC transmission. The HDMI eARC connection ensures lossless audio transmission, supporting high-resolution Dolby Atmos multi-channel audio effects for unparalleled sound quality. Compact yet powerful design. The Nova S50 soundbar features a proprietary acoustic architecture that overcomes size limitations, delivering powerful and accurate sound reproduction in a sleek and compact form. Dolby Atmos decoding technology. Compatible with Blu-ray and streaming services, Netflix, Prime Video, on TVs and set-top boxes, the Nova S50 supports all Dolby audio formats, including Dolby Digital, Dolby True HD, and Dolby Digital Plus. Customized sound EQ programs. With exclusive Bassmax technology and a range of personalized EQ programs, the ULTIMEA soundbar allows for fine-tuning of bass, treble, and overall sound quality to match your listening preferences. Bass boost technology. Enhance your audio experience with adjustable bass levels for deeper, more impactful sound that brings movies, music, and games to life. Why purchase this product? The ULTIMEA soundbar for smart TV with Dolby Atmos is the perfect choice for those seeking a premium audio experience in a compact package. Its cutting-edge Dolby Atmos technology provides an immersive, multi-dimensional soundscape, making it ideal for home theater enthusiasts who want to elevate their TV viewing experience. The HDMI eARC connection ensures the highest quality audio transmission, while the customizable EQ programs and Bassmax technology allow you to tailor the sound to your